Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over the steps on how you get to the library of your Kindle Paperwhite. So the first example here I'm going to show you is if you're in a book itself. We simply just want to tap the top screen area for this menu to show up. Now it's worth noting that if you do a long drag down from the top of the screen, then this bigger menu will show up. This isn't what we want. We just want to do a simple tap up here to get this smaller menu to show up. And then we have this back arrow. This is what we want to click. Now it might say library if that's where you had come from previously, but if you came from the home page, then it'll take us back to the home. So clicking on that back arrow, and for me it's bringing me back to the home page. But to get back to the library, it's pretty simple. You just go down here towards the bottom right hand corner and click on the library option. And also, if you're on the home page of your Kindle Paperwhite, it's very simple to get to the library. Again, you can either click the option in the bottom right hand corner, or you can click on from your library here at the top, and that will also bring us over to the library tab. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, walking you through the steps on how to get back to the library in your Kindle Paperwhite, whether you're going to it from reading a book or from the home page. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.